Welcome to Day 3 of Microsoft Copilot, where we will master the prompt formula. Today we'll learn the exact syntax of vibe coding to get the most out of your AI tools. Words are the new programming language. Vibe coding means using natural language to direct the AI. You speak and the AI builds the solution, whether it's documents, data analysis, or software. This single prompt formula controls every platform. The rules of vibe coding work across all AI tools, including Microsoft 365 Copilot, GitHub Copilot, and Google AI Studio. The exact syntax of a perfect prompt combines 5 elements to generate professional results. These elements are ask, audience, format, tone, and constraints. Combining them creates magic. Small prompt changes create massive output differences. A bad prompt results in a generic paragraph. A vibe coding prompt, including all 5 elements, yields a structured, instantly useful action list. You can vibe code your daily documents. This allows you to generate slides, draft emails, and analyze data in seconds. For example, you can create a 5-slide presentation summarizing sales data for the marketing team. Vibe coding also applies to real software applications. You build the logic using words, and Copilot writes the actual code. This is demonstrated here with a simple web application for task management. Great vibe coders iterate their work, treating every AI output as a first draft. This involves writing the prompt, reviewing the draft, tweaking and iterating, and finally saving the winning prompt. Saved prompts become your personal code base. Build a library of repeatable shortcuts by storing your winning prompts for tasks like weekly reports, executive summaries, and app building. To start, pick 3 repeatable tasks today. First, identify 3 weekly tasks. Second, feed Copilot real data. Third, apply the complete prompt formula: ask plus audience plus format plus tone plus constraints.